to discovered a robin's nest in my front yard. An American robin, a bird we're all familiar with his orange breast or her orange breast, and frequently seen pulling earthworms out of the ground. And these robins eat a lot of fruit as well. And they eat honeysuckle berries exclusively. Actually, sometimes they become intoxicated, which I think would be very entertaining to see. However, there's 3 eggs in this nest, and I'm walking out there each day and documenting the progress of these eggs and publishing it here for your pleasure and see how quickly these little guys grow. I find it to be absolutely amazing. So sit back and enjoy.
Come in here and take a look. Got a robin's nest. 3 eggs. Very cool. We'll keep an eye on these little guys, watch them grow up after they hatch. Still nothing. You can hear Mama though. She's nervous. We'll check back in the morning. Mom's up there in the tree. She doesn't want me checking on her nest. Oh, they haven't hatched yet. Well, it's just a matter of time. Where are you? I hear her. There she is. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Look at there, we've got one that's pipped. The first one. This just happened. There's Mom up there. Mom's not too happy. I'm not gonna hurt him. Oh, that little guy. Look at there. 2 of them this morning. Very cool. All right, Mom, I'm getting out of here. You hear Mom above my head? She's getting used to me. Oh, look, we've got all 3 of them are out. Yeah, we do. All 3 of them had pipped. Good stuff. I hear you back there, Mom. Little fellas are growing. There's Mom again. Look at those little guys chilling out. I don't know where Mom is. Nice little rain shower going on. Long overdue for that. Boy, they are growing quick. Look at that. Compare this to 24 hours ago. Wow. She's not happy at all